Samuela kuzoa kwa mazi mwangala abulozi elu ikumusa kayona. Kinako hape lumitesizanga litukisoza Makande Mwa Silozi miluka kenela fela mwalitoho zapanga Makande. MAPOKOLA mwa MONGU BAKUNUPILE SIKEBENGA YANABATIWA. BABATUSIWA ki CEEC BAFILE KUPO ya MIKOLO ni MIKWAKWA. Vo CHANDA BAPAKELA LITEKO za FRA. Ni Makande Mwa Silozi kina Mike Moya. Mutu yakulubelwa kulina tamahani nilitabaza bukebenga mwa bulozi ubulailwe kakukunupiwa kimapokola fone babataku muswala mwa security sa MONGU. Kezo ye ezalile la butanu musihali mwasibaka sa kashumba mapokola hane bafitile fasibaka kuli baswale SIKEBENGA yo utalusizwe kutamahana nilitabaza busholi bubulai mane nize mchwalo. Mutiyo nalika kumataka kupahama fasituwa samu yaho wabayengi pili askali kakuholofaza mpokola katipa ilikezo yetiselize mapokola kumkunupa zengata mwapiho etatama.
A police operation to apprehend one of Western Province's most wanted suspects ended in fatal gunfire after the suspect allegedly attempted to attack an officer while resisting arrest in MONGU district. According to police, the incident happened on Friday afternoon in Kashumba Market area after officers received credible intelligence that the suspect had booked accommodation at a guest house.
Yesterday, the 24th of July 2026, at approximately 14:31 hours, MONGU police station recorded a report concerning a shooting incident that occurred around 14 hours in the Kashumba Market area of MONGU district. The incident involved a male suspect only identified by the aliases Hustler and Michael Scofield, believed to be Mununga, aged in his early 20s. The deceased was a wanted suspect in connection with several serious criminal activities under investigations, including aggravated robbery, murder, rape, theft from person, and breaking offenses committed within MONGU district and other parts of Western Province. Acting on credible intelligence that the suspect had booked accommodation at a guest house in the Kashumba area, police officers mounted an operation to effect his lawful arrest. Upon noticing the officers, the suspect fled by climbing through the roof of the guest house onto a neighboring building in an attempt to evade arrest. During the pursuit, he charged at one of the officers while armed with a knife, posing an imminent threat to the officer's life and safety. Faced with imminent danger and in the lawful execution of their duties, the officers discharged a firearm in an effort to neutralize the threat. The suspect sustained gunshot injuries and was immediately rushed to Lewanika General Hospital for medical attention. Unfortunately, he was pronounced dead upon arrival.
Meanwhile, the Zambia Police Service has warned individuals involved in violent criminal activities against resisting arrest.
The service in Western Province further issues a stern warning to individuals engaged in violent criminal activities that law enforcement officers will not relent in their constitutional duty to protect life and property. Criminals are strongly advised to surrender peacefully whenever confronted by police. Any attempt to violently resist, arrest, or attack police officers or members of the public may attract a lawful and appropriate response. The Zambia Police Service in Western Province remains steadfast in its commitment to combating crime and ensuring the safety and security for all citizens. Members of the public are encouraged to continue partnering with the police by providing credible information that will assist in bringing offenders to justice.
Mike Moya for Bulozi TV News in MONGU District, Western Province.
Vao bafumana tuso kwa tukso ya Citizens Economic Empowerment Commission CEEC kapukuswani ni liluko la Fisheries and Livestock mwasenanga bafile KUPO kwa muso ya mukolo iliko bisabunolo kuyako bautela litapi zabona. Vo Daniel Mwambao bataluselize Bulozi TV kuli baitumela kwa muso kwa tuso iyeo bafumana. Kono bataluselize kuli kutoka mukolo kubabea mwabutata ahulu. Vo Mwambao bakupile hape kuli kuyahiwe MIKWAKWA ili kunolofaza kuzama isalicho za litapi.
During the first fish harvest ceremony at the 56 floating cages on the Zambezi River in Sananga district on July 23, 2026, the 4 primary beneficiary cooperatives demonstrated resilience and determination to reach this milestone.
Akusikaba bunolo kuluna kuzwa folukalezi project ye ya litapi baba mumane kuluna bazwa file konoka chako kiluna ba lwayema ni kukutula litapi za luna.
The beneficiaries are now appealing to government for a boat to ease transportation to and from the fish cages on the Zambezi River.
Fumana kulirukatalizwe kiboti aluna boti litusanga fatu mikolo twata kubeta faliko tatwale ko tulitusisa so nolukupa kwati ni prize nebe abanze baya bayenyi baluna kambe basike baluli bala baite muneluna bakone kulubona kambe balu kashiza kwati ni boti ya kutetusisa.
Mwambao has also appealed for the construction of a proper access road to ease the transportation of fish feed to the cages.
Mane ni kutola ubone akuli bakona kulukisa cha ni MIKWAKWA kuli rufumane bunolo wakutisanga feed alunze rufali tapiza una kwanu track yona niona aikoni kufita kwanu kwa kuzili tapiza una aifiti so hivi ni mafidi konji ko yemsanga samo ya kwa ulenyana kono kunnanulange mutisa kwanu kwa sibaka ko kwisima cages.
The empowerment was provided by government through the Citizens Economic Empowerment Commission, CEEC, and the Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock. Nchumonyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, Sananga, Western Province.
Vako pano ya United Prosperous and Peaceful Zambia ni UPND Alliance Watchhouse CHANDA bayumbiliriyanga kwaliko pano zelwanisa kuli babe niniti abambola LITEKO zencha zambonyi kwambola falikepela bona fa Facebook kuzwelela kwasibakasa kasempa vochanda batalusize kuli LITEKO yezibahalizwe kekatengo ka Food Reserve Agents FRA kabukusani isupeza tamahano ya muso kutusabalimi ni kuchimbula bwino baikelize kutalusa kuli muso ulela kuyaha MIKWAKWA lipulukelo ni litusisoza njimu kususweza sichaba kubanisepo kwa FRA ni tundamo ya katengo kutunufaza pukelezo yascho.
So you were trying to convince the farmers that no, this president has got no money. He won't even announce the floor price. Now he has announced. So can you go back to the same rallies and tell them that you must go back. If you are men enough, go back to your rallies. What we said was not correct. You can't go per group just because you want to vote, you start telling lies about the president. Guys, not hilarious. Speak issues, issue-based campaign. Tamkwete issue-based campaign. Mwaleti that no, Mr. Chanda is not a factor. At least I have a manifesto. So we want Zambia to develop. And the reason why I'm in rural Zambia, 74% of Zambia's land is under customary control.
Ni hakuli chwano katengo ka Go Back to the Land Zambia kabonzize nonge kuli katengo ka Food Reserve Agents kalela kuleka mbonyi ya bwima wa 500,000 metric tons mwanjimo ya 2025 ni 2026 ilitaba yekona kusiya balimi basina hande kwa kuleksa licho zabona bazamaisi bakatengo ka bo chimwendo piri batalusize kuli tibahazo ya teko ya mbonyi ni haitisize mwangalo kwa balimi kulatela liviki zepeli za kuhakanyeha mulelo wakatengo usali mwamulaho kutalima kutulo yebileteni silimose batalusize kuli naha ibileni bwima wa 5.1 million metric tons kuyaka kutulo ya mbonye.
Announcement of the 2025-2026 maize buying price by the Food Reserve Agency has brought relief to farmers who became worried due to the delay. The target to purchase 500,000 metric tons of 50 kg maize at 347 kwacha by the Food Reserve Agency will leave the majority farmers stranded, considering a recorded historical production increase of 5.1 million metric tons of maize in the 2025-2026 farming season, describing the harvest as the highest ever recorded in the country's history. To transform the agriculture sector, government must assist farmers to secure predictable and reliable market to sell their produce.
Lukaipumulisa ainyani miha lukakuta lukazwela pili mwa tukso ya luna.
Voting is one of the few moments where we all have a voice.
One person, one vote.
No titles, no status.
Just a choice.
It's not about doing nothing.
It's about showing up.
Because your vote matters.
It's easy.
It's important.
It's ours.
Count me in.
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 Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in MONGU and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 MONGU. Contact us on +2609729265521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRSC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Not long ago,
Many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no kind of violence. Clinics stand where there were none. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Makande Mwa Silozi as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MONGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Mbuyuwana compound off Kagrava Road in MONGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Vaiteleli valiko pano vasusuelizwe kufumana mihato ya kumbwesha faza sifumu sana ha Zambia isike kuikenya mwamikwa ya kuitwanisa. Vochazi baba sifumu marusaka vo Kelvin Chisanga bataluselize Bulozi TV kuli sichaba sana ha Zambia batokwali ngambolo zeto mahani fa kupanga misevezi tuto pabalelo yaspatela mane ni kuchimbula bwino wasichaba mwanaha. Vochisanga kachwalo bakupile baliko pano kafela kuikenya mwalitaba ze amana nizwelo pili.
Unbelievable that leadership is something that is measured by vision, competence, and the ability to provide credible solution to national challenges, but not the issue of attacking opponents. Ultimately, the important aspect here is that the economy, for it to be commanded with a stronger position, we need to remain with a shared national priority, even when it comes to the political lineage that we have seen so far. The key factor is that Zambia deserves issue-based politics that places economic transformation and the well-being of the citizen at the center of national debate. The aspiration to see that Zambia moves from where it is, even as it is able to be seen with economic governance, should take a center stage in the political discourse. And this aspect of personal tax cannot quantify to the level of national challenging issues that we're able to see. So it's a call for issue-based politics.
Babuhibaluna likandelale likoni kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukusayaluna meluka ikupuza hape litoho zenepanga makande. Mapokola MONGU BAKUNUPILE SIKEBENGA YANABATIWA. BABATUSIWA ki CEEC BAFILE KUPO ya MIKOLO ni MIKWAKWA. Vo CHANDA BAPAKELA LITEKO za FRA. Luitumezi mwako na kubuhatukso ye nilitukso za luna kaufela fa TopStar channel 120 ili mwalivaka zisona sina MONGU limulunga Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, Livakaze Mwasenanga, Kalabo, Rufusa Mane Nilivaka, Zenzima Bapa. Kapa mokona kulufumana falike pelaluna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV. Fapira bomanjinera kina Mike Moya Kozo.